What's up, gorgeous? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the best men's makeup. As you can probably tell, I am a redhead with super pale skin. First things first, I'm going to use this beauty blender. You always saturate this with water. This is a fresh one, and this is the Infallible foundation. I love this stuff. I actually saw another redhead using this foundation and it matched so well, so I was like, I'm going to get it. This is color 204, and I'm just gonna start the application here, put some here and here. Okay, trick is to use a little bit of pressure but not too much with your sponge, and I really like to put the foundation everywhere, over the whole entire canvas. Pro tip, don't forget to put foundation around your ears and on your ears. And if you have a beard like I do, I like to put a little bit of foundation just around the edges and just blend it out so we're not dealing with two tones here. Okay, now that we've applied all of our foundation to the entire canvas of the face, I have super oily skin, so I'm gonna go through with IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Pressed Powder. Now this has no tint to it, it is just white. So that is super awesome. And what I like to do is just go through in my T-zone, that's where I get most oily, and I just blot this in. It really takes care of shine, it lasts a really long time, and it's great for camera because when you're under those lights, you got lights coming at you from all different angles, and it creates a lot of shine. It does leave kind of like a white cast, right? So I'm going to use this Benefit bronzer. This is called Hula. Now the trick with bronzer is, this one is super pigmented. So I just like to do like little circular motions in the corners. I always start in the corners. With this one, it is very pigmented, so I have seen myself on camera before, and I've been like, whoa, I should have blended a little bit more. If you are someone that does camera work, I'm noticing something here right now, which is my arms are spray tan and my hands have like started to come off. So either I would touch those up with a little bit of like tanning mousse, or I would actually go in with some foundation and just put it on my hands before I go on television. Because let me tell you something, those cameras shoot in 4K and you can see everything. Now that we are all bronzed up, you can't not forget underneath the beard or your neck area. Behind the ears also really important for bronzer, I always say, because your ear too, oh my God, don't forget to bronze your ear. It's so important. Another one of my favorite products is this Benefit Brow Gel. Now, I think this is 3.5 or 3.0. I only like to put a little bit right in the front there because that hair right there always is more blonde than the rest. Okay, next are my eyelashes, and as you can see, my eyelashes are pretty blonde, right? So I actually use two different colors. I use this Voluminous L'Oreal Paris, and this is in burgundy. It's like Y500 is the color, and it actually is purple-ish, lavender-ish, burgundy-ish, and I'll use this first. And then I'll go through with the Lancome dark brown and I'll put this over top of it. I'm gonna do this off camera so my eyeball isn't in the screen. This is the before and this is the after. You can just see it just defines the eyes a little bit more. Okay guys, this is the final look. I find this to be super natural. It just accentuates my natural beauty. It gives me more confidence when I'm doing work in front of the camera or for YouTube. As always, if this was helpful to you guys, make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.